Welcome to Introductory Financial Accounting, ACC 100/CACC 100. Hey, I'm Indy, your guide through ACC 100/CACC 100 at Toronto Metropolitan University and the Chang School. In this course, we'll embark on a journey from the fundamentals of accounting, including the accounting equation and transaction analysis, to mastering the financial statements. We're going to do a comprehensive dive into the world of numbers tailored for students just like you. So why take this course? We offer step-by-step videos, real-world scenarios, and detailed solutions. It's not just learning, it's an interactive journey. So what can you expect? I've personally crafted this course for practical application in full alignment with your course material. This will help you prepare for your assignments, quizzes, midterm, and your final exam. I'm not just your instructor, I'm your partner in this learning adventure. You got questions, need clarification, just want to share your ha-ha moments, I'm here for you. Let's make this learning experience not just educational, but memorable. Join ACC 100/CACC 100 and let's make accounting fun.